Hello everyone, welcome back to another Google Sheets tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a simple budget in Google Sheets step by step. This is a great way to plan your monthly expenses and keep track of your spending. Let's get started. First, open Google Sheets and create a blank spreadsheet. In the first row, enter 4 column headings: category, budget, spent, and remaining. Next, add a few budget categories such as food, transport, and shopping. In the budget column, enter the amount you plan to spend. Then, in the spent column, enter the amount you've already spent. Now, let's calculate the remaining budget automatically. Click the first cell under the remaining column and type equals B3 minus C3, then press Enter. Google Sheets instantly calculates the remaining amount. Next, drag the fill handle down to copy the formula to the other rows. To make the numbers look more professional, select the budget, spent, and remaining columns. Click Format, choose Number, and then select Currency. Finally, select the entire table, click Insert, and choose Chart. Google Sheets will automatically create a chart, making it easier to compare your planned budget with your actual spending. And that's it. You have successfully created a simple budget tracker in Google Sheets. You can update it anytime to better manage your finances. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Google Sheets tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.